Meahana can be used for something as fast and simple as running a brainstorm activity during an internal meeting, or it can be used for designing longer-form offsites or workshops. In both cases, start with the end in mind. What are you hoping to achieve? Are you looking to answer a pressing question, accelerate alignment around an idea or approach, or gather inputs from various people and perspectives to make an informed decision? Then work backwards and identify what you need to cover to achieve your goals. Build your agenda around the inputs you'd like to get from participants and the activities that will best help elicit those inputs. Often you'll start with some kind of broad idea generation or divergent thinking. Use the filters in the catalog to explore the options for activities that are built for this. For example, you may want to run a simple brainstorm with just one prompt, or you may want to run a brainstorm by category to explore multiple dimensions of a topic. After generating ideas, you may want to narrow the list in some way to identify priorities or determine how relevant or achievable each idea might be. Again, use the filters in the catalog to find convergent activities that are useful for evaluating ideas. In some cases, you may want to dive deeper into some of the ideas either before or after evaluating them. Use the Explore filter to view relevant activities. For example, you may want to have participants assess the level of urgency for each of the ideas using a Categorize Items activity that has them rate each item using a set of options you've defined, such as Do Now, Do Later, or Don't Do. Or you may want to ask one or more follow-up questions about each of the ideas using the Explore Ideas activity, which focuses on a single prompt, or the Explore by Category activity, which allows you to define multiple prompts for exploration. Let's take a look at an example workshop that has been designed using this approach, cycling through ideation, evaluation, and exploration a few times. In this example, Diamond Dogs is a consulting firm looking to help their client, Quixie, a maker of wearable devices, identify key challenges to sales and ways to overcome them. Diamond Dog starts the workshop with a simple brainstorm asking participants about the challenges currently impacting sales. Next, they have participants rate all of these ideas across 2 dimensions using the matrix ranking activity. How likely is it to occur, and how disruptive is this to the sale? When everyone has rated the ideas, the results are displayed as a matrix, and Diamond Dogs can select the items that were rated high on both dimensions for further exploration. In this example, items ranked as major challenges are brought forward as the categories for a brainstorm by category activity. This allows the teams to think of ways to address each challenge. After ideating on solutions, participants are asked to vote on the items they believe would be the most impactful using the dot voting activity. Finally, top solutions are selected to take forward into an action plan to wrap up the session with concrete next steps. This has been an introduction to designing sessions with Meahana. We hope it gets you excited to start designing and building sessions of your own.